Hello tubes. This video is going to be about this this hyper tough 4-tool combo kit that I got a little around Christmas time, a little bit before it. Got a fabulous deal on this. I got this one for $25, everything. I got another one for $15. Fabulous deal. I think what's happening is they're not going to carry this anymore, this combo kit, because they're bringing in the new Heart tools over at Walmart. But this is, I think, perfectly fine for your homeowner DIY person who may use some of these tools, you know, a handful of times, maybe 50 times in a year. If you want to hear, here, you know, you get all this plus 2 batteries, and yeah, there it is. And going to here, you get the drill with 600 RPMs, chuck size is 3/8 with a max torque of 175 inch-pounds. They both have an LED light. Now, the impact driver, which is this, you get 1375 inch-pounds of torque. This is more in line with probably a 12 volt. But we're going to try this out. I got some, this is some scrap wood I got here that someone was throwing out. So I figured I would make a video of how to, you know, just seeing how these tools do. I need to cut one of these pieces of wood so I can use it as a chuck for a car, so I can put it behind the wheels. And this reciprocating saw, you got 3,000 strokes per minute. It did come with a wood blade. I've never used a reciprocating saw, so if I cut out my fingers off, you'll see. It also came with this flashlight, this work light. Dual mode. You can bend this around, and then if you know, this is my basement, my little workshop here, and then you can focus by, you know, pushing this forward to focus in on it. At night, this really lights up things in the backyard. If I have any things that are any animals or something in the backyard, it kind of hides them from trying to attack my dog. And it has a strobing mode. It'd be good if you you know, break down, you can just stick this outside your car, indicating help. Well, anyway. Now the specs on the flashlight, it's a 5-watt LED. Oh, I gotta get into some of this. Some of these. I gotta cut some wood, drill some screws, and use the driver here and see how it is. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this screw and try to screw it through this, and I'm just going to use the drill. These batteries are 1.5 amp batteries. They are charged fully. They take forever to charge, but let's see how this goes. These are, again, scrap wood. Put it on the drill mode. There's 15 settings plus 1 for drill. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hopefully I didn't drill that to my table here. It seemed to handle that pretty good. So, next thing we're going to do is this is the impact driver. We're going to take this bolt. This is a 4-inch lag screw. Going to screw it through. Actually, going to put it through. Let me see this. This is a 4x4. So let's see how this goes. And this is just a socket on here. It's not impact rated. Neither is this. If it breaks, it breaks. It's 20-something years old. And this is just a 7/16. So, no pilot holes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, didn't completely go in. Let me okay. Smell a little bit, you know. These are brush tools, all of these. So, went through the 4-inch and went into the piece of wood there. Now I'm gonna undo it. 3, 2, 1. Well, I was able to do that. Now, and it's hot. Whew. Hopefully, now again, these are just regular sockets. I should be using impact rated and an impact rated this adapter, but whatever. Don't do as I say, not as I do. Oh, that's the impact. This has got a lot of oomph to it. If you're screwing together a deck, yeah, you know, fixing a deck, this would be great. Now, the next thing is going to be, I need to cut this piece of wood right here along this line. I'm going to use this reciprocating saw here. Okay, to get the bit on, or the blade on, you just twist this like this, and then your blade will slide in. Make sure it goes in the whole way, like that. Then it'll come back and hold itself. Now I need to put a battery in this. Let me grab one out of this light. Often I work mostly in the garage, but this is where I do the wood stuff. Okay. Now, this part here is adjustable for your angle. I am going to put some eye protection on now. So, I need to do is I need to cut this piece of wood right here. So let's see how this goes. Three, 2, 1. It's got a safety here. Finally cut through after shaking the heck out. So it works. Well, in conclusion, if you're just a DIYer at home, this 4-piece combo kit, if you find it at your clearance price at your local Walmart, it's probably not bad. But for the professional or semi-professional, I wouldn't use this.